What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, doing super quick updates today guys, because we do have a lot of things that we need to be getting doing. So we're just going to do really quick updates today. But as you can see, obviously Vechain with that descending wedge going through September, as we've always said, ABC correction with the overextension, we get the bullish divergences, we come back up into the previous kind of range area. We've got a bit of a range looking something like this, haven't we? Where essentially we came down, range bound for a while, we come down, we get that W double bottom, we get that reversal off the bottom, breaking out of the descending wedge, back into this range where we've been chopping it up and down really, haven't we? You can see here, we've formed a bit of a range looking something like this. Range here, overextension down to the downside, W double bottom. We do get that reversal off the bottom as well. Back into the range here, and it does look as though, you know, we've been testing the bottom and the top of the range a few times in the past week or so. But in our opinion, looking as though we are coiling up nicely and looking quite bullish for Vechain, back at fair value on the RSI. Momentum to the upside looking pretty good. Obviously, a lot of altcoins looking bullish right now, with Bitcoin basically, you know, sucking some of the life out of the altcoin market currently, with it at around 62k. But we do think it's going to start dragging altcoins to the upside, especially larger altcoins very soon. Obviously Vechain, Polygon, these are some cryptos. Chainlink, for example, all of these cryptos have been underperforming recently, and it's because Bitcoin has actually been, you know, underperforming as well, we would say. Still trying to get back to that all-time high that we made in May before that blow off top of the bull run that we're probably looking for. And we can see here, obviously, Vechain underperforming as well, nowhere near its all-time high, currently of around 28 cents. Currently at less than half of that value, which is obviously still a massive deal. Looking as though it is underperforming a bit here. But, you know, we would say potentially we are looking at a bit of a coiling motion happening, looking something like this maybe. Where essentially we're just coiling up for a bit of a move here, aren't we, for Vechain? Maybe even as far as down as this, but probably more likely looking something like this. But some overextensions to the downside because Vechain has been underperforming, but more or less in the similar way to how Polygon's looking. It looks as though it is coiling up for a big move, consolidating ever since that when we reached those all-time highs in April. Obviously the big crash in May, we've been coming down, we come back up, down and up, and it looks as though we are coiling up into this apex area here. And sooner or later, we are probably going to see Vechain breaking to the upside in a big way, because obviously top quality project in a bull market, massive use case actually getting used in the real world. There's only so long that the price action can continue the way that it is. And we do think sooner or later we are going to get a nice move to the upside. Obviously, if we take a quick look at our Fib retracements here as well, you can see we've actually done something quite bullish, which is where we were range bound before in between these two levels, the 038 and the 050. It looks as though we have broken the 050, currently trying to test it as support. And if we do start to break to the upside on a bounce off of that, we could be looking at a breakout of this big pennant and a big move to the upside for Vechain. So basically, short-term price predictions then, if we roll over back to the bottom of the range, would be our support at around 10.5 cents. If we start to pump up, we want to be breaking the top of our range here at around 12.5 cents, breaking this resistance line at 13.5, and then our next target is obviously the 618 at around 14.5 cents there. Big target, breaking out of this area here. We could be looking at, you know, very big moves for Vechain if that's the case pretty soon. So clear resistance we need to break. And as we said, always we do think 50 cents to $1 for Vechain, very likely, very likely in our opinion, considering how good this project is. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.